Are you still using Windows 8 in 2026 and you want to upgrade to Windows 10, for example? You say, okay, I want to upgrade my Windows 8 to Windows 10 and then probably upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. So, but first of all, let's try to upgrade the Windows 8 operating system to Windows 10 device. Well, as you may know, Windows 8 is not supported anymore from Microsoft, so probably you will not be receiving security updates on your Windows 8 operating system. But, well, right now, if I go to settings, I'm using a virtual machine for this purpose. Here you can see I've already add my Windows 10 Professional to this device, to the DVD of this device, which is an ISO installation image, which of course the Windows 10 can be downloaded from the official website of Microsoft. So if I open File Explorer, and here you can see the ISO DVD that has been mounted to this Windows client operating system. So if I double click, I'm just going to say yes. So here we're going to check and start the installation process. But mind you, before you can upgrade your device from Windows 10 to Windows 11, your device must be compatible with Windows 11. If not, you will not be able to upgrade your device from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So here I'm going to just click next, and it's going to say it's trying to check for update. Well, sometimes you may receive error message if updates could not be downloaded, but at the same time you can still click next to continue the installation process. So here we have been asked to enter the product key. So if you have the product key, you should just enter it and then click next. Here we can now click accept to accept the license terms, and it's trying to actually check for updates so that we can continue the installation process. So here it's saying that we need your attention because I'm doing this on a virtual machine. So I'm just going to click OK, and then we can now click install to start the installation process. So you can see it says installing Windows 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be pausing this video and then come back again if we need to continue the installation process. You can see it says it's going to 100%, and then installation will continue. And here you can see that it says we are still on 30%. So just go and grab a coffee and just wait for some time, and the installation process will continue. And please do not shut down your device if you are trying to update your device. If not, you will even break down your Windows 8. Probably your Windows 8 will not start anymore. So just try, grab a coffee and just take some time off and then come back again in 30 minutes or 1 hour time, and probably your installation, your device will be upgraded. So let's just wait and see what happens after our device upgrade. Here we go. You can see we says we're still working on update. We are at 98%. Don't turn off your PC, please, and please don't turn off your PC. So let's just wait for this to complete, and here we go. Let's try to log on to this device. You can see I'm still using the same name I used to create my Windows 8 account. So right now I'm trying to log on. Let's just wait and log on to our Windows 10 device. You can see it's saying hi, and now we can now try to configure our Windows 10 operating system inside our Windows 8 since we've just upgraded. So let me just do this. I'm going to pause this video, do this, and then come back again. So now we need to configure, say let's Microsoft and use your app location. Well, I can just say no for this, and then we can just continue to configure. And for this purpose, for this training purpose, I'm just going to accept no, and then make, because we already have an account. So it says just a moment, just wait a moment so that we can log on to our device. Here we go. Right now, you can see we've logged on to Windows 10 operating system. So let's go to File Explorer and try to see. If I go to local device, you can see we have the Windows old and we have our new Windows operating system. So right now, this is the Windows 8 operating system, and this is the Windows the new Windows client, the Windows operating system. So what we can now do is we cannot try to update our device, try to go and check For updates, if updates are available for your Windows 10 operating system, but mind you, you can still downgrade to your Windows 8 operating system. So you can actually check for updates to see if updates are available. So if there are no updates available, you can continue to work with your Windows 10 operating system. Here we go. Right now, you can see we have a lot of Windows updates which are trying to install on this device. So try to update your device, and then if, for example, you want to upgrade to a Windows 11 operating system, then we can now try to upgrade our device to Windows 11. But one thing I will assure you, if you upgrade from Windows 8 to Windows 10, your device should be compatible for Windows 11 before you can upgrade to Windows 11. So now we need to restart our device. You can see it says all the updates have been installed. So just click restart now to restart the device. And after we restart the device, we can now come again and check if there are updates still available and if we can still upgrade to a Windows 11 device. So right now I've started my device. So let's do the following. I'm going to just enter Windows version, and let's see which version is installed. Here you can see the OS build that was installed on this device. So this is a Windows 10 professional operating system which has just been upgraded. This device has just been upgraded from Windows 10 to Windows 8, from Windows 8.1 to Windows 10.